Kamain tawraga paisa tani larba macha ama orbina paisagi problem adukki matik kari yolaga tawdino mina business tawnaina pangtawdu tawum kadaidagi hawduno kanadagi tamduno fusing step ta leibado sigi video se yanga miyam solve. So hi everyone, my name is Thokchom Surmangol Singh and I'm the founder of Thokchom. I'm on mission to help 100,000 people to teach the modern new way of education by developing their skill set by using my 5 pillars of success. So, step number 1, understand the 3 core of market desire. Si hana gyan tabiyo. Market se kana no hawamantam the health, wealth, and relationship. Si ahumze hana phazana gyan tabiyo. Sida top companies, top expert, top business course already learn maniba. Sida akoina ANOUBA ma invent tawba dudi warne sigi manungda koi thugarak tuineba aduna khoi saida yengbiyoba mobile gi dukan am phamdi mathangda mobile gi dukan ma ekda phamjalakani adigi chicken center phamina chicken center mu straight da adigi sa ka ina sa gi straight da adigi sumain tawba khoi gi business em chap mana na khoi masen compete tawna lere haba ado haijaningi ba point ti kaino hamtanda ANOUBA opportunities pina bo khona seba mina tawna ina pongtok tawna daba hadi mina dukanam phamena dukan phamjanba mina restaurant phamena ta restaurant pareng da huje ai myam ui ko adugi duna sigi pocha yargadi mayam different kitang oinaba hona se. Step number 2 da we need to focus inside the 3 core of market desire. Number 1, health, wealth, relationship. Sigi manungda koi inside sub market to thugarga koi niche to nisabdi kaino sai market to gi manungdu da changjala ga akhoi pamjaba akhoi passionate oiba khoi khandokpa horseba hujik ai computer dam to chage health ki da yengbiroba health ki da ahama number 1 the problem gi ma problem ka no weight loss ki adigi blood pressure ki diabetes ki stress ki muscular pain ki adigi method na ka no yoga ki detox ki meditation ki posture ki si myam le si da is a coach yoga ki coach obe are myam to be na si health ki manung sida khoi myam problem gi oigara method ki oigara si da is a somna pamba ama khak choose to biyoba mayam de different set oinaba health harga hisi health gi achobujida focus to bidaba. Okay sina mo health ki laigra aduga second da wealth da khoina paisa tan baida make money is han yengjar seba make money is yengbiro hujik make money online de kamai tani adigi stock market trading affiliate marketing consulting coaching si mayam am le adigi digital business drop shipping insurance real estate freelance si paisa tan bai ngatane school college university moisu wealth ching eva si financial gi industry neva si mam se make money ase aduga ainiam uchaning ba na 2 growth leva si business growth avanga career growth avanga sida business growth sida moyem biro sales branding marketing operations people finance research industry si mam sida mo sales si manung sida mu thugai biyo si kyam lege jam lead generation automatic si myam le ko de branding da moyem biro branding da sigi brand design adigi brand communication brand storytelling marketing da muyong ko digital marketing habam jula influencer email marketing social media da myam le advertising da myam le adigi sigi marketing da public relation referral marketing offline marketing print radio display in store myam le marketing da jo ai fall tok jage branding su sales su ko aduga CMBO sida su do operations na jula operations project management time tracking digital system adigi people the moving bro recruitment team building efficiency finance the moving say business finance taxation financial system research adigi industry si miyamum le hadi manung da hanjal ga thugai batamoba thugai dragadi nang mayam adum chap manar neiba ko aduga koigi career growth tamula se career growth chida kai lege hamatam da soft skill am le hard skill am le student am le soft skill da ke yore leadership communication time management si myam le adi hard skill na technical skill si myam le student na mo subject specialist ko specific subject to gi smaina thugar ko ani da career growth na do ka dore relationship ta muing bro relationship ta dating marriage adi get ex back adi parenting koi dating application laiba adi koigi hujikan yam tongda na perfume ge advertise ka tawga nupi da kamai attract to ni adigi Gillette ka do si adu lona Gillette ke advertise to isu nupi duna attractive oina baneba mayam na di Gillette na sum lo bane dubu relationship to chali nei maso so sigi manung sida smaina thugar ga health oigara wealth oigara relationship da manungda thugaraga somna pamjariba poto aduda work tawbiyoba natragadi expert mayam duga thengaina taragadi nang adum warne kayino you are just started moidi handagi already market da mina loi khangna lerabani adi pasasu lerangani somdi hawlakta ngaine aduduna mayamdagi kamaina kitang laithogana tongan dawa matambiyo ngasidagi. So that's a step number 2. Step number 3 da kadoni aigi mentor na harme big strides ko man hay matamda don't be cheap on the journey of your greatness ana sike de makta hay no ha matamda huje engonda question me am hangbire squadagi ahongba traffic ama kari oidono ana ko aina hayba traffic to quite ahongbo tardi customers udum cheap oiba customer phangni na hijabane ba dubo akoidi market da cheap oiroiba kaino mayam tawni jengo huje nang website Saba hiren khalaseba nangse website development da expert nen khalase huji aidum demo ma so tok jarke myam yengbiro zik myam yengbiro ai website de changage ko website sige ayuzik kano da changeba sige website design and website development myam side yengbio ba sida I need a web development that can develop my website for me affordable price kindly message higher na sige nupa se si client we do neba sida jengo 42 people mayam jine ta magi sige kano sida post sida mayam jine ta sida daw yabam khandoi neba adugi simu yemi ko website designer needed sida mo 305 comment pireba si kamai si yengo ba khoi saida samna habada khoigi uripoki thong makhada hadi khoigi nanmen premium leidana stabaki miyam la rom yom janmada sumain hujik market ta so aduga chamana na sumain tawre boje aduna hadi leidana thabak phangbase aduki mate client phangju aduki mate ware si client jina thadai se hadi ma website designer pam henem sida mi 305 sina comment bisaleba adudi maunda jo yam cheap oiba hadi any khanba yare na sa jiong sida comment premium je khuyam am dawreba 305 yame website development male for female needed salary weekly 4,000 haise sida ju mo 248 comments ko adigi plus hi I need a website design if you have interest email me need a website designer if you have interest email me I cc right now sida mi mapana comment tare adigi sida mo hi need a website design if you have interest email me similar 42 comments sumaina tawbiya deba aduna ne aina haijari don't be cheap on the journey of your greatness haije no this mind tawno ba kayino now you are learning from me right aduduna akhoi di moiga comment different oni ham tamda kuzik aina takta do report cha sija apply to action lo biong sidegi number 1 the customer dugina problem hana thitokpio that's the most important thing website ta changbiu nan aina ai mamangi videos me am yarngoni comment targa how to get your first client Manipur gra India gra international gra adu hana thidokpa heyo adu da ina application am sinabado Uber suggestion moi company dugi website to adu da hana my domain no copy toro adu thadabiro adu gi video do yengbio myam aina comment targa client phangi da problem do hana khangdo ni problem khangba khatana tana akhoi solution ju pi batam do ne solution do pira matung da kedora blueprint nama koi owner do tha do ne blueprint khatana tana amuk video jo muk nang na hena over deliver to ge hai dar gadi video da step by step comment toroga nangi problems are fixed oni comment toroga nangi problems are fixed oni adu su step by step tak matam da nang na mo pi do service done for you hadi nang loi namak to bi ba dar problem de horga solution de horga complete the pi matam da nangi client mangam tang khalo adu da thaw adu da message tha matam da moi compulsory out of 5 da mi ni dum halkani ba sure ne 100% ne adu kharam na pambe ba that's a human nature ko adu da aina hariba sigi mantra aiju oza degi aingon haber ko do myam do share to shine adu na don't be cheap on the journey of your greatness hadi website da khoina Facebook da hadi mina pam he da isan da ba let's be a professional aduga charge so matam da jo yam cheap oina charge so da ba hadi value do yamna pirige price yamna charge to bi over that's a mentality aduma hana tawbiro aduga step number 4 da akhoina kari tawdino hamatamda step number 4 da akhoina kari tawdino hamatamda question ahum gatang hangbiyo bi sada ko nangi sagi niche to samna habda aigi da harsa aija lead generation neba aina lead generation khali se kari gi no hamatamda aiju munna khangi ba mayam na tawni je pangtaw taw na taba business amada kwai dagi maru oba project kari no hamatamda lead chineba lead che kya maru oige da lead che yaudragadi ma sales to wangam moyo sales to dragadi ga dara company dum sirani customer like the company amta leiroi aduna sales ya si tawdab su yaroi sales hek taw matam da company ye revenue amta generate tawroi aduna aisu aideta ultimate goal do adu khangide aidi small macha ma lead generation ajijo aina phangni ba goal dugi part amane na khalaga ya maru oena adumain taro aisu lead generation da master dogi ne myam de khenari se ai oja Siddharth Rasekar magi student myam yengo almost 5,000 6,000 student ne adui mark to da modi coach katane business coach yoga coach adigi automation course marketing course myam hadi coach myam ne ba coach myam du da ai moi khenai ja aidi I'm just a lead generation expert aina mo mi amani katanga mo thabak tawmina ba matam du da de amakak tawi hujina manga ga taw bani hadi khara tam sum hakolak pagi aduna market chidagi kitang different oibiyo ba aduna ngasi sa sigi 3 questions ja mayam ne isada hangbiyo ba somna por iba opportunity sa mayam dane boring chubra chudabra na hana khanbiyo ba number 1 something important oi somna por iba opportunity sa mayam da excited oibra na ai lead generation ja ai matam am excited oigi ba kaino di business owner mayam du wari sana matam da haidi yamna maru oibani na lead program matam da moi gam tuna no har kideba so I'm very excited about my niche somsu ngasi ma khanbiyo som sain uchari mayam do thugar manung du lei mayam da odi amakha khanbiyo ba adugi kano du da niche tu da som yam excited oibam darkar oiba number 2 da som da question hangbiyo ba somna poraiba niche to passionate imanaba go wari sanagira imung da wari sanagira kana gumam da wari sana matam dana yamna passionate oiba do adu feel to go ne ba adu third the most important thing nangna poraiba niche market ta mina paisa ready hadi spend to da ready or ba ojibana simju khangbiyo ba duga customer ni khak tholokani amana paisa yam paiwa ma moidi afford to ngamba aduga paisa din be su to ngindaba number 2 da larba gaisina khoigumba hadi manipur gi almost 80-90% di khodi middle class family de horopani na khodi paisa do thiba ngamaktaba ko tamdi am tamjaningba adu su laitam na te lai neba duna sigi question ahum sa myam hangbiyo ba duga step number 5 ta aina myam da hajadu sha kaino hantanda 4 secrets of marketing da sima khangbiyo amna important oyne si miss taw taragadi na nangna yoningiba nangna matha saiba kadai de hodino khangde da si khangdragadi swai yaroi na ina webinar ju takchagrabni 4 secret of marketing am tang reminder ke khangde na webinar do tang yengbiyo live ni khoi myam pulaga nahan khoi community de o myam di khangmani adugi do yengbiyo ba so hajaningi di 4 secret of marketing da do nangi customer se kanano number 1 hanan khango number 2 da moi kadai lay offline da laybra online da laybra adum khangra third da kamain torga moi attract to hondeno moi mafam no khangaga di last da kedora moi gi result ja kari bideno na adu hana khangbiyo si mai se so ado ngasi gi video sigi aina myam da ai bonus am pige asa aina utkiba mind map to myam na adugi kano do print out to pambitar myam na niche to adu yenga kanda myam na khara kanagani na 100% lojai myam na adugi niche to adugi mind map tugi niche to pambiragadi myam ai Instagram da bonus ana ibiramo comment ta ai myam gi Instagram da ai DM tawjarke aduga ai thajarke so thank you very much guys aduga myam na sigi video sibu pambiragadi myam na like share ni kana gumba youths da share to we mo koi video se aduga ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯗꯦꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ we will change our society. So thank you very much guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.